Imagine you're running a lemonade stand on a hot summer day. You've got a secret recipe for the perfect lemonade, but making sure every cup tastes just right can be tricky. You need to decide how to mix the ingredients so that every customer gets the same refreshing experience. Now, let's say you have two ways to make your lemonade. One where you mix all the ingredients before pouring it into the cups, that's ETL, and another where you pour the ingredients into the cups and then mix them, that's ELT. These methods might sound different, but they're both essential for serving up the perfect drink. In the business world, ETL, extract, transform, load, and ELT, extract, load, transform, are like these lemonade recipes, only they're used to handle data instead of lemons and sugar. Think of data as the ingredients. Companies extract data from different sources, like gathering lemons, sugar, and water. Transform it into a format they can use, mixing the ingredients to get the right taste, and then load it where it's needed, serving the lemonade to customers. In ETL, companies do the mixing or transforming before they serve it, ensuring that the data is clean and consistent before it reaches its final destination. ELT, on the other hand, lets companies load the data first and then decide how to mix or transform it later, giving them flexibility in how they use their data. Whether a company is running a small local business or managing data for hundreds of stores across the country, these processes are essential for turning raw data into something useful. Now, let's take this concept to a larger scale. Imagine a big company that collects data from different stores, social media, and customer feedback. Without ETL or ELT, this data would be like a messy pile of ingredients. All the right stuff is there, but it's not in a format that can be used effectively. ETL helps the company clean and prepare this data before it's used, ensuring that everything is accurate and ready for analysis. ELT, on the other hand, allows the company to gather all this data quickly, storing it in a big database where it can be transformed and analyzed later. For companies working with cutting-edge technologies like general AI and data engineering, these processes are even more critical. They ensure that the data used to train AI models or make business decisions is accurate, reliable, and timely. If a company skips these steps, they might end up with sour lemonade, bad data that leads to poor decisions. But here's the kicker. In today's fast-paced, data-driven world, mastering ETL and ELT can be the difference between a company that's leading the way and one that's struggling to keep up. These processes are the backbone of every smart decision, especially in the realms of general AI and data engineering. They help companies turn vast amounts of raw data into valuable insights, just like turning lemons into the perfect lemonade. Whether you're running a small neighborhood shop or a multinational corporation, understanding and implementing these processes can give you a competitive edge. They allow companies to make data-driven decisions, improve customer experiences, and stay ahead of the competition. So, next time you sip on a glass of lemonade, remember, the secret to success in business might just be in the mix.
This much for today's learning. Remember, in the realm of wisdom, we all have a role. Knowledge is the key to reaching our goal.